Disclaimer: this content is for educational awareness only, not a promotion.
Hey everyone, welcome back to BearRUs, the place where we check the truth before you check out. Today, we're reviewing a site that's been making waves, or should we say, raising eyebrows in the world of plush toys and collectible cuteness like Labubu. It's called BearRUs.com, not to be confused with the now extinct Toys R Us. And before you ask, no, this site isn't run by bears. We checked. They're selling plushies like Labubu and even rare collector items. But is it a dreamland for collectors or a stuffed scam in disguise? Let's dig in. What is BearRUs.com? BearRUs claims to be an online store for all things cuddly, plushies, collectibles, and even Barbie-themed advent calendars. The site looks neat, professional, and even claims fast US or Canadian shipping. But then you start reading the fine print, and the story gets fuzzy, and not in the cute way. Red flags start showing. Let's start with the customer reviews, or what we like to call the real horror stories. On Trustpilot, BearRUs has a rating that can barely float, 1.6 out of 5. That's not just low, that's sinking without a life jacket low. Complaints include items never arriving, products showing up completely different than advertised, zero customer support, and the classic, we'll refund you after you ship it back to China on your own dime. One user said they ordered an authentic Labubu and got something that looked more like a bootleg version made during a power outage. What you see is not what you get. Multiple buyers said the site uses stock images that look like official merchandise, but what they received was, well, not even close. Some even described the quality as cheap knockoffs, with visible glue, off-color fabrics, and missing tags. And here's the kicker. The site doesn't clearly mention that items ship from overseas until after you pay. Sneaky, right? Is it a scam? Look, we're not calling BearRUs a full-blown scam in the legal sense, but in terms of trust, transparency, and product quality. Let's just say it has serious credibility issues. You might get something in the mail, sure, but whether it's what you actually ordered, that's a different story. Should you buy Labubu from BearRUs? If you're looking for a genuine Labubu collectible or high-quality plush toys, BearRUs might not be your best choice. Unless you like surprise packages and not the good kind. Instead, we recommend buying from verified sellers, official brand stores, or at the very least, platforms with clear return policies and real customer support. Because at the end of the day, no one wants to pay $40 for a plush and get something that looks like it came out of a claw machine gone rogue. Final verdict. Let's call it what it is. A risky site with a cute front. Yes, it sells adorable-looking items, but behind those teddy bear eyes might be a nightmare in tracking numbers, refund emails, and fake fluff. So, is it worth the risk? We say, probably not, unless you're into playing plushie roulette. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow collectors before they become BearRUs victims. And remember, don't get scammed, get de-reviewed.